Okay, if you do sourdough, you need this discard recipe. I got it from Acts of Sourdough on Instagram. My husband put me in charge of dinner tonight last minute. Usually he cooks everything. But I remembered seeing this recipe, and I love the recipes where you can just pour the discard straight onto the pan. You don't have to mix it with anything. It could not be easier. You just pour it on there with, an oiled pan, of course. Shred some cheese, cook some meat. I cracked some eggs in there, sprinkled the cheese over the top, and then covered it and waited for the eggs to be done to my liking. I put a little bit too much sourdough in there, I think, so mine was too thick, the crust, but put a little bit less discard in there and try this recipe. You will love it. My family gobbled it up. This will definitely not be our last time making this. We always have eggs and discard on hand, so it's a really easy recipe to just throw together in a pinch. She came out of the pan pretty well. I was worried it might stick to the pan, but it did not. I overcooked my eggs just slightly. They were like over hard instead of over medium or over easy, but that's fine. I served it with avocado, and like I said, it was the bomb. Ever since I started my YouTube journey, I have been confused on whether to film vertical or landscape because I never know if I want to do like a short form reel or a long form video. I'm not very good at planning. I should have maybe done this as a short form video because the recipe was so quick and easy, but enjoy this footage of me cleaning my dishes. I've been watching a lot of Kylie Pitts on TikTok. Not Kylie Pitts, Kylie Perkins, the one who yells at you about cleaning your house. And she has been so motivating for me. Not sure what about it is motivating for me, but I'll take it because I was scrubbing these dishes. I usually hate hand washing and will let the pans just sit there forever, but not today. And honestly, my house low-key smelled like farts yesterday because I was cooking corned beef and cabbage for St. Patrick's Day. So hopefully getting all the pans clean and wiping down the kitchen will help take care of that smell. I also did 2 loads of laundry today on accident. I always do 1 load of laundry a day, and then I put a second load in the washer, but I don't start it, and I just have it ready for the next day so I can start it, with the laundry soap already in there. But today I did that and accidentally started it. But my son, he was like, well, look on the bright side. We're going to have more clean clothes. So you cannot argue with that logic. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Kylie Perkins.